We're gonna go on a hike on a waterfall for 4 hours. Wow!
I mean, I looked it up and it says 4 hours, so let's see if we can make it less.
Okay, maybe we can do it in 3, and we're gonna stop at, they have 7 levels. We're gonna update you on every level and see how we're doing. Here we have bamboo trees or baby bamboo.
No, it's bamboo tree.
Bamboo tree.
It's like all up there. It's not baby anymore.
Okay. Going through the woods. 5 minutes and I'm already tired. Okay, we reached the first level. That wasn't too hard. 5 minutes walk to get
Let's
there.
say it's so easy.
Yeah.
The first one. Okay, then let's keep walking.
So we reached the second tier. We're only 40 meters away.
Away from the first one, right?
Yeah, so that was
So
good.
we are not that tired yet.
Yeah, we can go 5 more.
5 more to go. Yay, let's go.
Maybe getting steeper, ใช่ไหม โอ้ย Only another 5 minutes to get here.
Not even 5 minutes, but yeah.
The third level.
It's already like looks beautifully so nice here. And we can swim here, but we're gonna keep going to the top fall first, right? Okay, yeah.
Level up. Okay, we reached the 4th level.
The fourth one.
Is it?
Yeah.
And this one was a little more challenging. Like the stairs were steep. And now I thought we have to go 500 meters to the next level.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So you said the Thai people are making fun of my shirt.
Shy.
What did they say?
They didn't say anything, but they look at you, and this is like picking at their friends, like laugh.
Oh, was that chicken? level now, and I expected less people to be here because it's further away, but so many people right here.
And it was a long walk.
It's a long run, and
Hot.
I'm starting to sweat. But the waterfall is pretty.
Yeah, let's come see it.
Okay, we're at the 6th level. แต่ไม่มีคนเลยใช่ปะ
Yeah, there's nobody because you cannot swim here. And we spend 1.5 hours from the parking to the 6th level. So let's see how long it's gonna take to the 7th level.
Okay, let's go. Oh, there we have a monkey and a baby monkey. Many stairs. Just too many stairs. Whew. Oh, so close. Starting to get a little bit tired.
That's all in the way.
It,
That's all that you want to say?
yeah, that's all I want to say. Like this.
Okay, so it's so beautiful right here. Lots of falang coming to enjoy the waterfall too, just like you.
Yeah.